when you first get to your JournalDock website, go to downloads, download your JournalDock Mt5 connector. Also download your JournalDock Mt5 EA. I've already have them downloaded. So go to downloads. Here is my JournalDock Mt5 connector. Here is the EA. How to hook up your Mt5 Journal Connector EA to Mt5. So go to downloads where you downloaded your Mt5 EA. There we go. Copy. Go to Mt5. Go to File, open Data folder. Go to MLQ5 Experts. Paste your Mt5 EA on this folder here. Paste. Already have it here, so I'm not gonna replace it. Close. Restart your Mt5. Close. On your left here, under expert advisors, you should get a trade your indicator here. Just drag it to any chart. Allow algo trading. Important, guys, you allow algo trading. Okay. Also here you should also have algo trading. Then you have your EA attached to your to Mt5. So go on, install your Mt5 JournalDock Mt5 connector. If you come across this screen, just go on and run. Next. I've already have it installed. You'll install and take the defaults. Open your JournalDock application on the desktop. Have it opened here. Guys, go to the website, go log in. go to Mt5 pilot. Here at the bottom there's a button which says token, create token. Click on that button, get your token, copy the token, go back to your application, then save, Control V, paste your token, then make sure it's pointing to live, and save and start. Give it about 5 minutes, then your trades should sync from your Mt5 to your to the website.